Well, it's raining here. It's July 10th, Monday. It's about 6:30. And the winner who won this right here golf cart last Friday, his transport company is on the way to pick it up. So this is pretty much a farewell goodbye to this little club card DS. And to be honest with you, I think it's a sporty little card here. So I wanted to get one last look over before it goes to its new owner out in Texas. And we'll probably never see it again in person, but we've had fun with it. And I'm not gonna miss it, but I'm gonna miss working on it because we had some fun with it. But yeah, there she is. Remember when we first started with it, it was white, had them hideous white wheels on it. I still have them. Try to list them for sale on Marketplace. A couple of people want them, a couple of people don't want them. No one really wants to meet for them. But anyways, this little charger we put in there from Epoch batteries. This one has the 6 Epoch GC2 batteries in there. That's 180 amp hours of capacity. This thing right here will run all day long, probably. But it's a good little cart. Maybe I do hate to see this thing go. But like my wife says, she always tells me, she says, Ryan, you probably enjoy building these things more than you do riding them. And she's probably right. Other than walking tall, I love riding that cart. You know, it's mine. And this one was gonna be mine, but I decided to let it go. But there it is. I'll pick you guys back up once the transport company pulls up. That's a big old trailer.
Yeah, it's clear. It was when I was backing up and did it.
Hey guys, it's Aryan. I just took delivery of the golf cart and it's very fast to say the least. It's my first lithium golf cart and the epoch batteries in here, they're amazing. Shout out to everyone who was a sponsor on this build, epoch, golfcartstuff.com, and Ryan himself too, for allowing me to have the opportunity to enter and get lucky and win this golf cart. Just want to say thank you for all the support that I've gotten in winning this golf cart, and can't wait for future videos that Ryan has for us. Thank you.
Well, it's been one day and the golf cart has now made it to its new home in Texas, Longview. I live in Moncks Corner, South Carolina, good old Berkeley County. And that driver, I think he said he slept throughout the day yesterday and he was just gonna drive through all night long last night to get to Longview or whatever. So he made it, you know, pretty good. I'd be the first one to tell you, I hate driving. I hate driving long distances like that. I hate going uptown in my car because, you know, people just don't know how to drive in general, okay? Before I put it on the trailer last night, I took her on the block one last time for just, you know, just that little drive. Say, you know what, we've had some good times. You're going to a new owner and all of that, right? It's kind of like giving a dog away or whatever, right? Anyways, and when I was coming back around, golf cart started stuttering. Like, here's the deal. A month ago, I made that video. I was going to give it away. I put it right here in the shop where Walking Tall is sitting at right now, or inside the garage, and I didn't touch it at all, okay? I had my 14 President behind it. I had Walking Tall beside it. Nothing touched it, nothing, right? I'm pretty sure the M-Core either crapped out during that time of us not messing with it, or it was just a little dirty or something. I don't know, couldn't tell you. So I think Ariane had to replace the M-Core today on it. It just sucks because there was nothing wrong with it. A month ago, it gave me no problems at all. So anyways, I hope he got that fixed or whatever. It's gonna be a good little cart for him. There's a bunch of capacity of the batteries. I think I told him the other night, I was like, if you really wanted to get rid of it, I said, you could probably just take 4 of those Epoch batteries out, keep 2 of them in there, sell it with that. Then you'd have 2 more lithium battery conversions for other golf carts as well. I mean, I don't know who really drives a golf cart over 20 miles every time that you ride, but some people might, you know. I will do it occasionally, but anyways, it is what it is, guys. That was the giveaway. I hope he enjoys it. And well, we got some new stuff coming up. Not this. I got an egg-shaped golf cart, and I was working on it today. I don't know. That video will probably be out Sunday. Until then, guys, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching today's video. It wasn't much, but just, you know, so long with a little silver bullet. And hopefully this right here will provide this guy several years or a lot longer than it provided me, because I just gave it away. But anyways, enough rambling, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.